Hello, I'm Jackie Campbell. I'm a Master Gardener Emerita with the Grey County Master Gardeners, and I'm also the Gardener in Residence here at the Durham branch of the West Grey Library. I'm here at the library the second Wednesday of every month to help with any gardening problems you may have. This video is the last of our series, A Year in the Garden. The series is available on the library's YouTube channel if you missed any. Now this month we're going to celebrate success. And this is something that I think is difficult for most of us gardeners. We tend to see the weeds and ignore the flowers. How did your vegetable garden do this year? I found this a very challenging year for my vegetable garden. My tomatoes took a long time to ripen. And we had a couple of early frosts which decimated my green big slicers that hadn't ripened yet. But on the plus side, my cherry tomatoes were really good, and the plum tomatoes were better than I've ever seen them. For some reason, my winter squash, I didn't have any usable winter squash, which is unusual. But my zucchini made up for it. And before you laugh, I'm going to say everybody's zucchini usually does well. I don't mean that they were exceptionally prolific, thank heavens, but the flavor and the appearance was quite wonderful. And the star of the vegetable gardener of my food crops were the blackberries. They were huge, they were sweet, and also very prolific. So we really enjoyed those. So on the whole, I'm going to consider that my vegetable garden was a success. And I hope that you can say the same about yours. The generous amount of snow, that's a euphemism, by the way, for just too much snow that we got last winter, had the plus that it really sheltered my perennials. And I didn't lose one, which is, I don't lose a lot during the winter up here, but normally I'll have one or two fatalities, but not this year. My husband and I were away in England for the middle 2 weeks of July, celebrating a family wedding over there. And while the wedding was lovely, and so was the trip, it did mean that I got really behind on the maintaining of the garden, and I never really caught up. But if you stood back a little bit, you didn't see the weeds, and the flowers were outstanding. A couple of years ago, we had to have some major work done on the foundation of the house because of persistent basement leaks. And as part of that, we replaced a deck and surrounding flower beds with a patio and some new flower beds. And this year, those beds really came into their own. They were really strutting their stuff. Now here at the library, I think we also had a successful gardening year. The seed library was once again quite a hit. And our project for next year, or this coming year, is a pollinator garden. Now the design work is now underway, and we're quite excited, and we'll keep you up to date on this. Even though the gardening season is over, I'll still be here at the library the second Wednesday of every month to even just chat about gardening and about your plans for next year.